Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Unsupervised Deep Feature Extraction for Remote Sensing Image Classification. Our project abstract is: in this paper, introduce the use of convolutional networks for remote sensing data analysis. It is a multiple and hyperspectral imagery of supervised convolutional networks, the counterpart as well as the current state of art algorithms of aerial classification, while being extremely computationally efficient at learning representation of data. Results show that single-layer convolutional networks can extract powerful discriminative features. Deep architectures significantly outperform single-layer variants, capturing increasing level of abstraction and complexity throughout the feature hierarchy. Our project flow diagram is: we can classify the image as per given the dataset. First, we collect the dataset and choose one image. On that image, we are going to read and segment the image. Before segmentation process, we are going to convert the binary and gray image. After segmentation process, we are going to extract our image by using soft threshold algorithm. After this process, we are going to classify all images in our dataset. In that classification by using convolutional neural network. Finally, we calculate experimental result for accuracy, sensitivity and specificity of after classification of the image. Our source code was run only the command window. In current folder shows that our MATLAB source code files and dataset file. In that current folder, our source code file was stored only in main.m, so we can run the main.m file. To right click our run, we shown on the one window. In that window we can select our dataset. There are several number of dataset or we can initialize. It is 1 to 10 means it is a label 1, 11 to 20 means it is label 2, 21 to 30 means it is label 3. Like this, the datasets are to stored in the labels. In that label we can select any one of the image. It is our input image. It is our output. It is our input image of the given project. After this input image, we can convert it into gray image. After conversion of the gray image, we can convert it into binary image. After gray conversion and binary conversion, we can get our segmented image. The label will be shown on our current select our image. It is the graph for our labeled image. In X label, classification, and Y label, accuracy. In existing method, when compared to proposed method, will be high accuracy. It is our sensitivity graph. In X label, classification, and Y label, sensitivity. In proposed method is low when compared to existing method. It is our specificity graph. In X label, classification, and Y label, specificity. In proposed method is high when compared to existing method. In command window show on elapsed time. It is our classification of our image. How much time taken to classify the image. In accuracy 88.57, in sensitivity 70%, and specificity 82.35. It is our accuracy, sensitivity and specificity value. In workspace will show on the our values. It is the accuracy value, the maximum and minimum value of accuracy, and which file name we have to choose. The file name 11 is our label 2. I means input image. The path name will be shown, and RGB, it is a sensitivity and specificity values. The label, how much label to show in our dataset, in 1 to 210. So 21 labels. The maximum rate will be 21. It is the segmented image values. It is the test features values. For example, we have to choose the another one file. this image will show on, it is the label name will be shown. It is our 28th label. The label name will be shown on 3. We can choose the another one file. The file name will be shown on 118 image. There is the calculated label up to 21. The 12th, it is our 12th label will be shown. The label will be 12 will be shown. The elapsed time only change. The accuracy and sensitivity and specificity value also change. Thank you for watching.